Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back. Today, I'm bringing you one of my all-time favorite childhood meal, a dish that never misses, garden egg sauce, perfectly paired with plantain and yam. If you are craving something quick, awesome, and absolutely delicious, this recipe deserves a spot on your menu. So let's dive right in like a pro. To get started, we've got fresh garden eggs and some spicy green and red scotch bonnet pepper. I rinse them nicely, then make small cut on the garden eggs. This helps them cook faster and get extra tender. Next, I wrap my pepper in plantain leaves for that natural flavor boost and place everything into a cooking pot. Now, this is a magic trick. On top of the garden eggs and pepper, I stack peeled plantain and yam. This not only cook them together, but infuse everything with rich, earthy flavor. Sprinkle some salt. Add just enough water, cover and let it cook on the stove top for about 15 to 20 minutes. After cooking, everything is perfectly soft and ready. I separate the plantain and yam, then mash the garlic egg and pepper together. Not too smooth, just the right texture for our sauce. Now it is sauce time. In a preheated pan with vegetable oil, I add in some diced onions until fragrant. Add in dry shrimps for that smoky flavor. Then pour in our mashed garden egg and pepper mix. I season it with seasoning powder, curry, crayfish powder, salt. Then bring in the big player, dried fish and boiled eggs. Give everything a good stir. Let it simmer gently for about 3 minutes. And that is it. Rich, flavorful, and so satisfying. Your garden egg sauce is ready to be served hot with the yam and plantain. Trust me, one bite and you understand why this is a legendary dish. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.